Hi everyone and welcome to week 6 of Writing 213. This week you're focused on polishing your career research project, which is due on Wednesday, October 5th. So that's the first thing that you should focus on for class this week, is finishing up your career research project. I highly suggest that you read through this assignment again, especially the important characteristics, and make sure that you've met all the major objectives for the paper. Also, be aware that a reflection is required for this paper. This gives you a chance to speak for what you might have done and help me to understand the hard work you've put into your draft. So you must include a reflection answering these questions along with your paper. You can choose to include this as an extra page in your paper, or you can include it as a separate document. Remember that your title page and your references do not contribute to the 1,000 to 1,250 maximum word count. Neither does your reflection. Those are separate parts of the paper. So finish up this career research project first. Let me know if you have any questions about it, and then you can start thinking about the next module, which is a research essay that will be focused on a problem in your field. I have posted this essay in week 11, and I highly suggest you start your work on the next module by reading this research essay prompt. So it's a 45-page research essay, not including your title page, abstract or references, or reflection, that's about a problem related to your career area. And you're going to be directing a lot of your own reading about this project. So I highly recommend that you visit the Consortium Library homepage, and you can see that if you visit the Consortium Library page, the homepage will actually look like this, and you click on Ask Us, you can see that there is chat available right now. I am a really good researcher. Every time I chat one of our librarians about finding references for one of my research projects, they help me find better sources than I can find on my own. So you need to find a couple of really good references for this project. I highly suggest you start by speaking with one of our reference librarians. I even highly recommend just making an appointment with one and spending a little time. You can go into the library, or you can meet by phone or Zoom, or you can just text online or go through the chat feature. But if you meet with somebody, they're going to help you find some of the best references for you to get yourself positioned to do well in this project. So this project will go through a similar rhythm as the last one. In week 7, you will engage in a large group workshop where you look at some previous samples students have written for this course. You'll submit a statement of the problem to me so that we can help I can help you work on the focus. When you are addressing a clear problem, then the work is a lot easier. In week 8, you'll engage in a small group workshop, and you'll submit the purpose statement to me to help narrow your focus and make sure that you're working on a clear focus. In weeks 9, you'll review 2 sources where you provide me with the reference entry and a summary, and that will set you up for integrating source material into your paper. In week 10, you'll submit a draft, and we will engage in peer review. And then in week 11, you'll turn in the final project. So I hope everyone's doing well. Keep working on polishing that final career research project, and then we'll get ready to start the next one. Take care, everyone.